Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify GitHub Issues triage using saved searches, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify GitHub Issues triage using saved searches, begin by accessing your GitHub repository. Navigate to the repository where you want to triage issues. On the main repository page, locate the Issues tab at the top. Click on the Issues tab to view the list of open and closed issues. Next, find the filter bar at the top of the issues list. In the filter bar, enter relevant search queries to refine your results. For example, you can search for issues assigned to specific team members using assignee username. To display unassigned issues, type. If you need to filter issues based on labels, include label_name in your search. To search for issues that have comments, use comments 0 in the filter bar. Once you have the desired results, you can save your search for future reference. To save the search, click on the Save Search button. Give your saved search a descriptive name for easy identification. You can manage your saved searches from your GitHub account settings. To access your saved searches, navigate to the Saved Searches section in Settings. Select the saved search you want to use, and it will apply your previous filter criteria. This allows for quick verification of the triage process in future sessions. Regularly review and update your saved searches as your project evolves. Encourage team members to utilize saved searches for efficient issue management. By following these steps, you will enhance your GitHub Issues triage process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.